Hi friends, welcome to simpleindianrecipes.com, your online guide to simple and healthy home style cooking. Today I'll be sharing my tips on how to choose, break open and grate coconut. Grated coconut is an important ingredient used in South Indian cooking almost every day in some form or the other. When you buy coconuts, first visually check to see if the coconuts are dry and there aren't any cracks. The color should be dark brown because the lighter ones are less mature and not suitable for cooking. Next, shake the coconut to check if you can hear the water inside. Next, we will see how to break open the hard coconut shell. Coconut comes with a lot of fiber attached. Hit with a knife to loosen the fibers and pull them out little by little with your hands. You'll be able to see 3 lines on the coconut. If you hit hard on this, the shell breaks easily. You can use the traditional huge knife called the vettakati or a hammer for this. Keep rotating and continue to hit on the lines until the shell cracks. Don't forget to hold a bowl underneath to catch the coconut water. Now I'm going to repeat the same process and break open another coconut. You can strain the coconut water and drink it. It's very refreshing. Now we come to the third part, that is removing the white meat from the coconut halves. To make this process easy, put the coconut halves in the freezer for about 1 hour. This step loosens the coconut meat from the shell. Insert a sharp knife along the edges of the coconut meat. Most of the time the whole flesh comes out as such without the brown skin. If it doesn't come out that way, you can just cut out small pieces. will be able to cut out the pieces very easily using this method. So now once you have the white meat out, let's see how to grate it. The brown skin can be left as such, but in case you feel you need to remove it, you can peel it using a vegetable peeler or scrape it using a sharp knife. For grating the coconut, one option is to use a box grater. The second option is what I do often. I just cut the coconut meat into smaller pieces, take it in a mixie jar, pulse it a few times until I get fine shreds. See how easily you can grate the entire coconut. When I find time, I usually grate 2 to 3 coconuts at a time. This grated coconut can be stored in the freezer and it stays good for even up to 3 months. Take the grated coconut in an airtight freezer-safe box and store it in the deep freezer. Once frozen, it becomes hard like this. You need to take it out of the freezer and leave it at room temperature for 10 minutes before you are ready to use it. After that, you can scrape out how much ever you need using a sharp knife or a fork. Take out the required quantity and return the box back to the freezer. Fresh grated coconut is ready to be used in your curries and side dishes. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it and subscribe to our channel. See you soon with another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.